Hey there, crypto newbies! Moving your USDT from OKX to Binance might seem like navigating a labyrinth blindfolded, but trust me, it's easier than you think. This guide's here to hold your hand through the whole process, like a reassuring Sherpa guiding you up Mount Everest. We'll break it down into bite-sized steps, even throwing in some safety tips because, let's face it, losing your crypto is about as fun as a root canal. So buckle up, grab your metaphorical pickaxe, and let's conquer this crypto mountain together. Think of transferring USDT like moving your belongings to a new apartment. You pack your stuff, call a moving van, and voila, it magically appears in your new place. In our case, your OKX wallet is the old apartment, Binance is the new one, and USDT is your precious cargo. We'll start by accessing your OKX wallet using your seed phrase. That's like your apartment key. Then we'll find your USDT balance, which is like taking inventory of your belongings. Next up, we'll grab your Binance USDT address, basically telling the movers where to take your stuff. Finally, we'll initiate the transfer from OKX, like sending the moving van on its way. We'll then verify everything arrives safe and sound on Binance. Simple, right? First things first, let's access your OKX wallet. This is where your seed phrase comes in, a sequence of words that holds the keys to your crypto kingdom. Remember that time you scribbled down those random words like they were winning lottery numbers? Yeah, that's your seed phrase. Keep it safe, folks. Never share it with anyone. Now head over to the OKX website and click Sign In. Select the option to log in using your seed phrase. Carefully enter each word in the correct order. Any typos, and you might as well have flushed your crypto down the toilet. Once you're in, you'll see your OKX dashboard, your gateway to the exciting world of crypto trading. Now that you're in your OKX wallet, let's find your USDT balance. Think of it like checking your bank account before a shopping spree. On your OKX dashboard, look for the Assets or Balances section. You should see a list of cryptocurrencies, hopefully with USDT among them. Click on USDT to see your available balance, which is how much you can transfer to Binance. Remember, double-checking your balance before hitting that transfer button is crucial. Sending more than you have is like writing a check your bank account can't cash awkward. Section 5, Destination Binance. Getting your USDT address ready. With your OKX wallet sorted, let's move on to Binance, your new crypto playground. Think of it like getting your new apartment ready for your belongings. Log into your Binance account, or create one if you haven't already. Now here's the crucial part. Getting your Binance USDT deposit address. Head over to your Binance wallet and look for deposit. Select USDT from the list of cryptocurrencies. Now pay close attention, folks. You'll need to choose the correct network for your USDT transfer. Think of it like choosing the right type of moving van for your stuff. OKX and Binance typically use networks like TRC20, Tron, or ERC20, Ethereum. Select the same network on both platforms to avoid any lost-in-transit mishaps. Once you've chosen the network, Binance will provide you with a unique USDT deposit address. Copy this address. It's like giving the movers your new apartment number. Section 6. Sending your USDT, initiating the transfer on OKX. Alright, time to load up that moving van and send your USDT on its way. Head back to your OKX account. Go to the withdraw or send section like giving those movers the green light. Paste the Binance USDT address you copied earlier into the recipient field. Double check that you've chosen the correct network and entered the right address. Any mistakes here, and your USDT could end up in crypto purgatory. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Remember, leaving some behind for fees is always a good idea. Once you're happy with everything, review the details one last time, then confirm the transaction. Think of it like hitting the send button on that moving van. Your USDT is now en route. Section 7. Confirmation is key verifying your transfer on Binance. Now let's make sure your USDT arrived at its new home. Head back to your Binance account and go to your transaction history. You should see a pending transaction for your USDT transfer. Don't freak out if it's not there immediately. Crypto transfers can take a little time, like waiting for that moving van to navigate rush hour traffic. Once the transaction is confirmed, your USDT balance on Binance will be updated. Congratulations, you've successfully transferred your USDT from OKX to Binance. You're officially a crypto moving pro. Section 8, Go Forth in Crypto. And there you have it. Transferring USDT between exchanges might seem daunting at first, but with a little guidance, it becomes as easy as ordering takeout. Remember, the key is to double-check everything, just like you wouldn't want to accidentally order pineapple on your pizza. Now that you've mastered the art of the crypto transfer, go forth and explore the exciting world of crypto trading. Happy trading, folks.